It's good, bro.
Sounds good, Ruben. What day is it today?
Sunday. You know what that means. Ice cream day. What's good, guys? I finally got it. I ordered something off eBay. I got a cold air filter for the car. I'll probably cut to a better shot so you can see it, but yeah, I got it in. About to put it in the car, and yeah, let's go. So it's actually real carbon fiber, like it's actually like really nice, and I'm about to be putting it in the car. So like this one, it just has the original MAF or whatever you want to call it, but yeah, it's gonna be way nicer. It's gonna replace this, so you're gonna have to replace the bolts and stuff, and you'll see what I do. So basically this piece is gonna go in right here, and I gotta find a way to mount this to that. So you gotta untighten these clamps to get over there, because you gotta remove the whole thing, and then there's gonna be 2 bolts only all together, and then I got it over here. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta take out the air box and then get in between these 2 things right here, and then somehow put this bracket so it can connect to it, because the way this is, it's a square and then the filter is a circle, so you have to have this special mounting bracket that comes with the kit, and I'm gonna do that real quick. So the way you do it, there's gonna be a little clip on here on the side, because it's right here. So look, this clip is going to be connected to this, and then you're going to have to just take it off, and you see the filter exposes it. And then here on the inside, if you can see them, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in there, and those are the ones you have to take off to get to the actual AFM or mass airflow, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to do that real quick right now. Alright, so I ran into a slight problem. These bolts right here come out of the actual system itself, like where the box is. So originally they were on these little screws, so they would go here, but as you can see, they don't fit. So I was digging around and I found this old rusty screw. It's like whatever, but at least it doesn't move anymore, so I can put the thing onto the adapter, and then this just goes back in the car. And all right, so I had one problem. So this thing is big as fuck and it doesn't even fit. So like I had to shove it in there, and then I couldn't even use the little tube they gave me, that one, to get air in. So I was like whatever, but I had to force it in to this part. So I had to force this part in, and I had to tighten it down. But I think all in all it'll be fine. Like there's clearance like in there, it'll be fine. I'm gonna turn it on and see how it sounds. All right, so I'm gonna test out the exhaust. Alright, so this is kind of a pain to install, because like I kept having a leak over here, and then this was kind of messing up, but I got it. I just shoved it in here, got everything connected, and I mean it sounds pretty good. I couldn't get the before, but I got the after. What'd you say?
I said if my car dies, it's not my fault.
Dumbass, where are we going?
Where are we going?
We better go get fitted, bitch!
Dude, no cursing on the Ruben vlog.
We better get fitted, how?
Dude, that's still the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Wait, hold on, I gotta be driving. Cool sand boys. Hey, did you even see us, bro? No, is that the buzz, bro? Oh, you motherfucker! What the hell?
He was trying to get you.
You almost had me more.